Surrogacy is a reproductive arrangement between a woman, that is surrogate, and another woman that cannot conceive or carry a pregnancy. So a surrogate mother carries and delivers the baby for another woman that cannot carry a pregnancy. So it's like borrowing a womb for a woman that cannot carry a pregnancy. The baby is genetically yours, but the womb is borrowed with love. If you want to know more about surrogacy, keep following us. We will post all the queries about surrogacy.
Conrad kongkal sangma ula pentip bagi sorkar kala Pynsangeh lut dia barok gijing temu gi betemai banet Shabar kat kum gijing Jingpynbna jong Myntri Rangbahduh kari Narendra Modi. Conrad kongkal sangma ula pensyai batang ki program ki balayo gijing menjur ne political clearance balayo ru gijing bet ke bedai bagi gijing lut jing sep aswa ban Jingpynbna Myntri Rangbahduh kari kidai ki balaya cekman. Namar bagi Jingpynbna kini gijing det Shabar syempor hadu lain sau benai teng hadu andru benai. Ulong ru bagi kenhuan ke balalet Shabar kedai ke pendep ya barok gijing dan kam badia barok kikam kijam kiladep ban bat lupa nele ya ke booking badio ru gijing bet nak sorkar pedeng namar bagi Jingpynbna bagi Jingpynbiang jongki kedai kebaliat lupa deki benai balayo ru gijing menjur nak sorkar pedeng aswa ba Myntri Rangbahduh kari un aya ke Jingpynbna. Ulong hadien ba Myntri Rangbahduh kari ula aya ke Jingpynbna ke jela kam syamla asyo ya kinu gijing bet ya gijing terwai ke batamai bandet Shabari. Bablia thoru ba mo usimet hin la dia ula Pynsangeh no ya gijing temu bandet Shabari hadien ba klami ke Jingpynbna na Myntri Rangbahduh.
So, number one, the trips that were cleared politically as well as financially before the Prime Minister's announcement, those programs went through because, as you know, programs take about 3 months, 4 months, sometimes 6 months to prepare. So these are programs that were already there in the pipeline, and hence some of the teams are outside and they have gone because the process was done, the bookings were made, the expenditures were incurred, and as I said, this political clearances were given by centre also, and this process happened. So post Prime Minister's announcement, any new proposals that are coming in for any kind of a trip outside are not being entertained, and in fact I have personally put on hold every single trip outside, and though we have not come out with any notification, but I'm very clear that we have to go as per Prime Minister's direction, and this is in the larger interest, as I said, of the nation, and therefore we have, as I said, I have stopped all the foreign trips in the past post Prime Minister's announcement. The ones before that, as I said, have been cleared, so those obviously went through because already the process was already finalized. But after his announcement, any new proposal that has come for any kind of a foreign trip has been put on hold.